Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you today? I hope you are well. Alhamdulillah, I am also good today. Today, I am very excited and I feel nervous because this is my first English speaking video. Today, I try to introduce myself. So, let's start. I am Mohammad Shojib. I am from Gazipur, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Currently, I live in Saudi Arabia. In 2024, I came Saudi Arabia. That time, I joined a parcel delivery company as a bike rider. After a few months, I found out some problems. In my opinion, this country is not suitable for bike riders because their weather in the summer season temperature is so high, like that 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, and in the winter season temperature is very low. So this weather is not suitable for bike riders, and I did accident 2 times. Then I realized this job is not for me. Then I left from my job, and in 2025 I have joined a contracting company as a T-boy. Now I'm happy with my work. Every day I am working 8 hours. My working time is 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. We know English is an international language. If we learn English, we can communicate all over the world and we can get better job because English is very powerful skill. In my office, I am only one Bangladesh and other employees from different countries, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and Egypt. I saw they talk with each other in English. That time I realized I need to improve my speaking skill. In 2025, I saw a Facebook ad about Times English Center. I knew that they teach English without grammar. It is very interesting. That time I have decided I will admit Times English Center. 3 months ago, I have admitted Times English Center. Now I am a student of Times English Center. I have completed 12 classes. My class teacher is amazing person. He teaches us friendly and his teaching technique is very good. Now I feel my speaking skill is improving day by day. Now I feel confident. I would like to thank my class teacher and Times English Center. After 1 month, my course will be complete. So pray for me. See you next video.